Alright, I am back. Today I will be doing the parakeet, my brain's not working, I forget the actual name, but as I call it, a parakeet, or a parrot. I guess it is a parrot, yeah. But yeah, this is the third and final set for set number 31145. And it says Red Dragon, but it's a 3 in 1, so, you know. There are a few that I added to Amazon just because, so I'll be buying those at some point. But yeah, sorry, I'm gonna have the AC on this time. It's starting to get a little warm out now, so yeah, getting into our warm season. There's the fish. So there's the bird. You can tell these two are a lot thinner than this one, or than the dragon. But yeah, otherwise, here we go. Depending on how long it takes to upload this video, I am going to try to build the owlery thing from Harry Potter. So I have the owl thing that I want to build. So I'm going to try and do that one in one video. But like I say, it depends either on how my phone acts and also just how long it takes to build in general, you know. So it just depends. I'm gonna try to do it in one, but well, I caught in my shirt. It's funny, but no, I'll try my best. Yeah. I know they turn into long videos and stuff, but I'd rather just get it done. Well, that sounds bad though, saying it like that, but just the thing is, it just takes forever to upload if I do it for too long of a video. So you know, to be a little conscious of that. But yeah, worst case scenario, like I say, I'll post a couple videos. But yeah, it's like it usually uploads overnight. It's just the longer the video, the longer it takes to upload. So I had to kind of keep that in my brain. But yeah, the fish and the bird are definitely a lot smaller booklets. The fish had a lot of pieces left over, so I have a feeling this one will too. But I think, in a couple weeks, and I think about 2.5 weeks roughly, I'm gonna be going to Kansas. So I know my video upload schedule is kind of sporadic. I try my best to have them air every day if I can, just for my main channel. I can't really. It's kind of exclusive to the main games I play, so it's hard to upload every day on that one. Just these tiny little things. So that's why it's more sporadic on my main channel. My second channel, I kind of upload anything and everything onto that one, so I can air things a lot more. So yeah, I'm not trying to go to museums when I'm out there, so I'll try my best to record stuff. That being said, I mainly just record it for myself. So I like looking back at the videos and stuff, especially with family and stuff. They like to see those videos. Well, I don't know if they actually like to see them, but you know what I mean. It's just they try to be supportive, if you will. So you know, yeah. There is a Dobby, I think it's Dobby, a Lego set from Harry Potter that I'm gonna probably buy next too. So You know, I'm gonna try and collect as many of the Harry Potter ones as possible. And I also want to buy a Biraduel and Rivendell. It's just those two are very expensive. So, you know, it's one thing to buy like a $50 Lego set versus like a $800 Lego set. So, it just depends. So, you know, fun stuff. One of these. These look like shoes. Where are you? Like I say, I keep apologizing for how many times I check my phone. It's just I'd rather be safe than sorry. Square, where are you, Square? Yeah, I wish I was more of a talkative person. I know I'm not great at conversation. That's one benefit, I guess, of streaming is you can talk to people. I'm not great at talking to myself or a camera, so, you know, fun stuff. But this is a... round piece, round piece. Funny because this where is it? Where's this half circle at? There we are. For some reason in my brain this looked like a baseball hat. If you look at it, it looks like the front, the brim right here, and like the circle of the cap right there. I don't know why I thought of that or why I thought of that, but just thought it was funny, you know. There's one eye. Second eye. A lot of pieces left over. Just looks that way right now. blue piece. I do like this blue piece. I think I've said that before actually, but I do like this blue piece. I just like the color of it. It's not too bright. Sorry, let me start this phone up. What's cool is I don't think I've mentioned this, is I have a wireless portable battery, so I can set my phone on here. I thought that was cool. But yeah, let me see. Sorry, for some reason it's actually having me log in. I don't usually have to log in, but yeah. So, and I have like what's it called? Never mind. I don't want to say it. I probably shouldn't say it. Online. It's nothing bad. It just has to do with my phone. That's all. But yeah. What's my train of thought? No, I just bought it for fun. You know. Just with this, my secondary phone doesn't charge with a wire anymore, and I would like to. Well, no, I think I have a wireless charger somewhere, like that plugs into a wall, but I already have too many wires and whatnot on my desk, so I kind of had to not use it. But I have this one, so it works fine. The blue, the blue, the blue. The blue, golden the blues. Got Paramount Plus. I've been watching a lot of random, like old Nickelodeon shows from back in the day. I really haven't been able to find any good shows lately. I've either watched them or nothing sounds good, you know. So I'm rewatching a lot of old stuff, like Lost, that too. I rarely rewatch things nowadays, considering how much there is to watch on TV. Since I don't people like I don't understand people who keep rewatching things like The Office. You know, as much as I like The Office, I wouldn't really keep rewatching it. But you know, same with like Parks and Recreation and stuff. I love that show, but I don't need to keep rewatching it. So yeah, that's it for the bird. Let me see if they call it anything. Guess not. But yeah, there it is. It's cute looking. See all the extra pieces though compared to the other, or compared to the dragon, I should say. But yeah. Otherwise, that'll be it for today. It's a small set, so I'll be building the other one tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah, there it is. Parakeet. But yeah. Other than that, peace out.